What's going on, guys? I am at the yard right now. About to pick up a car. I got a nice little trip to go on. Put you guys on to this trip. I'm about to do right now. I don't usually put my setup right here, but today, fuck it. Just for right now, gotta grab this Saturn out of this uncomfortable ass yard. This place is tight as fuck. Matter of fact, let me get at a better angle. Here we go. That's a good girl. Let's pull up. She's hooked. We rolling. That's a good girl. Oh. I don't know, man. That shit look crooked. Oh, okay. What?
You taking this car?
Yeah. This guy's crazy. Perfect ass grab. Look at that shit, man. Now let's tie her up and get up out of here. We're going about an hour away, so make sure this bad boy's secured pretty good for a long ass trip. Alright, so it's all strapped down, light bar up top, and Crocs on, cozy. I'm gonna go on this nice little ride with my Primo today. I got my Primo as a guest with me today. The one that doesn't know how to drive a tow truck.
What the fuck you mean?
Well, I mean, I've been teaching him, but I guess he hasn't been paying attention. So,
What are you talking about, son?
yeah, he is on his last strike.
On my last strike.
Yeah, you're on your last strike, bro.
Son.
He on his last strike, bro. No, I'm sending his ass back to New York. Gosh, we're going on a 47-mile tow to Stewart. Oh, yeah. 51 minutes. 51 minutes.
51 minutes and 51 minutes back.
And then we got another car that's up there. I'll tell you right now. Okay. We got a car coming back down.
Wait, we the only working truck right now?
Nah, there's two other trucks out. The red one.
Two flatbeds?
Oh no, there's three trucks right now. Okay, the other one is, well, it's 83 miles away. So the other one is,
Probably like 30 miles from where we're gonna be at.
Okay.
Right?
Hold on, where am I dropping this one at? Okay. Nah, it's like 15 minutes away. I don't know, this shit is weird. Okay. I just punched it on the GPS, we're about to go for this ride. So, see you in a little bit. Fort Pierce, I don't know who's calling me. I'm not gonna answer.
209?
209. Oh shit. 209.
Listen to the customer real quickly. Ma'am, whenever you are ready. Yes, sir. Alright, hi, hello? You can tell him. He's listening. Hello? Please take the next right that comes. You've just gone forward. I want you to take the next right.
See the shit I have to deal with? Alright, so if you really want to be a tow truck driver, make sure you think about it before you actually become one.
Nigga, I'm not gonna be a tow truck driver, bro. I'm doing roadside assistance.
I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to the camera.
Oh. Yo, there's a lot of headaches. A lot of headaches that come with this shit.
You could make money, but
You could make money.
you got dumb people
retarded people
working.
Fuck no. It's bad, bro.
Okay, I did that. Now what?
Just stay right there. She sees you. So bear with me 1 second. I'm getting that payment issued.
Okay, base. If she sees me, why doesn't she come outside? Because I'm like blocking the street.
I think she's socially awkward.
Yo, what?
what was that? Socially awkward.
Nah, socially awkward is crazy.
And then you got this guy over here
What the?
looking at me with a fucking camera in his hand.
Yo, son. Nah, what am I, dad, bro?
Bro, I'm about to leave this shit in the middle of the fucking street.
That's why nigga, leave it at the toll zone and come pick it back up.
Yep, your strap fell, Jay.
My shot fell?
Yeah.
It's all your fault, nigga.
Yeah, the training I gave you, right?
Yeah.
Damn, mine don't fall, but yours does.
Yeah, bro. That's how life works.
This is crazy, bro.
Want me to take off the straps so you can just drop it down?
Yeah, hell yeah. Take off the straps and the fucking...
209, I'm informing her to go down and meet up with you.
Take off the strap and the light bar.
Alright, got you.
Because this is 10-4. This is insane. You're seeing me, but you're not coming outside to look at your car or get your car. So, what are you doing? What are you doing? This is crazy, bro. What the fuck is this guy doing? So yeah, we're like an hour away from our base. Came to drop off a car, and as I can see, the customer is being socially awkward. Yeah, and we were supposed to drop off a car.
What happened?
I don't know. We were supposed to dropping this shit off and picking up another one, but the other one got canceled. So we're going down empty. Next little empty ride. We're gonna stop at Chick-fil-A, grab some food. Yeah, I already know. Yeah, man, this is weird, bro. I never had a weird customer like this, but okay. So I'll be back in a second.
Alright then, son. Yo, what the fuck is good with these hillbilly ass kids, son?
Hillbilly! Hey, John!
There you go, Billy!
All right, so we located the customer. She obviously gave us the wrong address.
Located her by the scent of her smell.
Because it said she stink.
Nah, yeah, she's a fucker right here. Nah, shorty stink crazy, son.
Took the light bar off, right?
Yeah, bro, I took everything off, my nigga.
I fucked up, guys.
Ain't the first time.
Yo, watch your mouth. Mister doesn't know how to strap down a car.
That's fine by me. I'll learn. I will admit that I failed at that a few times.
How many times are you gonna fail though?
As many times as I need to succeed. That's the mindset I have.
I hear that. You hear that, guys, right? Take notes.
If it ain't easy, let somebody else do it. I mean, nah, if it's easy, let somebody else do it. If it's hard, keep doing it. Fuck is you talking about?
Alright.
Gucci is there. She made this shit.
Throwing on the base.
Did she pay the bread?
Get in the car.
Okay, no problem.
Let me say something.
Nah, not chill.
How you press it?
I don't want the heifers to get upset.
I'm like, Guaguan.
Nah.
Oh.
They're gonna say something. You already know how these guys are.
Who gonna say something? Victor?
Yeah.
I'll tell them niggas myself, yo, boy, yes, I said that, nigga. What's the problem?
I'll be like, yo, why y'all playing on the radio for?
Because I wanted to play on the radio.
Then we gonna get in trouble because he want to play on the radio.
Dipping
Matter of fact, look for Chick-fil-A.
Huh? Nigga, I already found one. What number is that? Somebody calling me, yo.
I don't know who that is, so I don't answer. When you don't know who it is, don't answer. Unless it's somebody in the group chat. Let's see. Nope, there's nobody in the group chat.
No me, yo. You gotta change the number, gang.
Yeah, we gotta change the number.
I bet you, old boy ain't never hit you back up, right?
Who?
You don't want to know, man. Only hit niggas up to use them, and that's it.
Nah. I already got that situation straightened out.
Yo, this shorty gonna pay. Nah, she need to buy some soap or some shit.
Yeah, she.
I don't even want her getting. Oh, she's coming back. Yo, kill me now, son.
You found Chick-fil-A?
Huh?
Where's the Chick-fil-A at?
Man, it's like 16 minutes.
16 minutes. Up or down? We gotta go down. Alright, guys, so this customer's having a hard time making a payment. I don't know why.
Because she broke.
She says she has $1,000 in the account.
Oh, the car keys.
I don't have the keys. You gotta check inside.
Are they inside?
209 a base. Her car is declining, guys, so
We might have to impound.
we might have to take the car back.
Yes, sir.
This is insane, bro. Told them get payment before we take the car to where it's gotta go. Now look.
You drove an hour to get here.
Now look. Nobody listens to me because Carlos doesn't know what he's talking about.
Carlos never knows what he's
Carlos
talking
never knows what he's talking about.
about. Word, facts.
So here we are in this situation.
Yo, son. Man, she tried to buck off with the car.
She gonna hit me or you?
She can hit me.
Uh,
Insurance check gonna be hitting.
209.
209.
I'll send you the link. Just use your phone and see you can run that card through your phone because I don't understand what's going on.
Then vote. All right, guys. I'm gonna check you guys in a second because I gotta get her personal information.